Hi everyone, it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. As a belly dancer, sometimes you want a bit more coverage over your torso. Maybe your audience is a bit more conservative this time around, or maybe you feel a bit more confident and comfortable with more coverage. And it's perfectly normal. But sometimes it feels like options are limited. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to completely hide your torso that your audience can even see the shimmy that you worked on for many hours. So in this video, I'll share with you 7 pretty ways to cover up your belly a little bit without hiding all your movements in the order of small coverage to full coverage. Let's get started.
The first way is beaded fringe or swag. This is a classical belly dance design. The beaded fringe particularly covers your torso and helps highlight your chest movements. To update this look, consider having more of a beaded tassel look. Add beaded tassels where you need coverage or create a beaded swag. This works better for people who have a short torso than a beaded fringe going across your belly, which gives a look of a very short torso. Learn how to make beaded fringe or swag at the link in the description. The next option is an applique that goes down to your belly or up from your belt. I love playing around with appliques because they're so flexible. You can attach them to go beyond the outline of your bra or belt as long as they stay up on their own. These grapevine appliques are easy to shape and look amazing. Or you can try swirly appliques. These create such a professional looking costume. Or you can try fabric flower appliques like these. These are soft and whimsical. See how to make all of these at the links in the description. The third method is the belly drape over bra. This is a very easy drape. Simply cut out a triangular shape of fabric and attach it to your bra so that the pointy end covers your torso. It's a great way to add more colors or textures to your costume as well. See how to make this in detail in my belly drape tutorial. Next one is lace motifs over belly. I love lace because it's so pretty on its own. Take some motifs from your lace fabric, and if you need to, sew them together to create a strip, and place it from your top to your belt or skirt. Of course, you can make it as wide or as narrow as you like, and you can embellish them afterward as well. It covers your belly partially, and it is such a beautiful feature. Drape over torso. If you take a piece of sheer fabric or hip scarf, you can do so much. For example, tuck the ends like this and you have an instant drape over your torso. See what else you can do with a hip scarf in my 24 ways to wear hip scarf video. Next one is the DIY sash. Similar to draping with a hip scarf, but this one is done more properly and professionally. Take strips of fabric, gather the ends, and place them strategically to create a partial cover over your belly and decorate the bra and skirt in a very cohesive way. See how to do this in the tutorial in the description. And finally, belly stocking. Using mesh in different colors, you can make one to suit every costume you have. It offers full coverage over your torso, and you can decorate it with beads and rhinestones as well. And you can make one yourself by following the tutorial at the link in the description.
Now try out these options and see which one works for your body. All the relevant tutorials and courses are listed below this video. You know, no one knows about your body as well as you do. And it really feels good to try and learn what works for your own body and preferences. And being able to make every costume fit you is a great skill to have as a dancer. Now that you have options to cover your torso, ask yourself, is your chest adequately covered? Does your skirt lay flat around your waistband without creating muffin top? If you have these costuming problems, it's time to learn to make your own costumes. Like I said, being able to make your costume fit is a great skill to have. Even better if you could make your own to fit your dance themes or true preferences, and most importantly, your unique body shape. My belly dance costume workshop will help you do exactly that. It shows you how to make a perfectly fitting bra, belt, and skirt step by step based on your unique body measurements. The enrollment for this workshop only opens a few times a year, and it's opening very soon. Learn more at the link in the description. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!